So, is she fixed? Well, that's the big question. We're going to take her out for a good test drive, take her up and down some roads, dual carriageways, country lanes, hills, etc. to see, do we fix her properly? And also, what is the actual problem? Stay tuned if you really want to know what I believe it was, and also what the solution was, is that good England? I don't know. Comments below. Do I speak English? And also, I'm going to show you the amazing repair job I did on the rear light cluster. I'm impressed. If you do want a job doing properly, don't get me to do it. But this is the job I did. And also, let's go for a ride. You know, The Sun, that amazing, accurate newspaper, called me a DIY genius. And this is why. Look at that light fitting. Seamless, isn't it? The way that, you know, the ceiling just blends in with the surroundings and the black tape. See, you can fix anything on a motorhome with black tape and very strong sealant. All right, so I'm an idiot. I just assumed that because it came in, and this is the stuff I've used, Evo stick, strong stuff, water adhesive. I just assumed it dried black because it came in a black tube. Come on, give me a fighting chance, manufacturers. Just, you know, would you make the same mistake? And it hasn't. It's dried white and looks terrible, but does the job. And Millie, like me, is practical but not pretty.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
So, been driving for over 40 minutes now, probably nearly an hour. Done 30 something miles. Done pretty much quite a lot of different types of roads, dual carriageway, A roads, B roads, city centres, everything. Touch wood, the problem hasn't returned. So just gonna go up and down the A5 a few times, and then keep on driving until I get bored, and then call it a fix. So fingers crossed. But let's go and do the A5 a few times before I'm 100% confident that it's fixed. So there you go. Problem seems to have gone away, and quite confusing, surprising. Who knows? But what we believe the problem actually is, and I reach over, is the fuel cap. Yep. Only these fuel caps need to be vented, and they automatic vent, and they have a little spring here, and when the tank is, you know, gassed up or starts to expand because of heat, etc., then this little valve lets the air out, doesn't let air in. Or is it lets air in, doesn't let air out? I'm not quite sure. Comments below. Either way, this wasn't doing what it was supposed to be doing, and what was to cause it was causing a vacuum in the fuel tank, and that's what we believe was happening, and it was choking the air back, which is why it was happening at different times. Obviously, when I filled the tank up, there was less space, therefore the problem happened even quicker. So I've ordered a new one of these anyway, but in the meantime I give this a good clean, blasted it with some compressed air, made sure that the spring in here worked okay. There's a little spring in there, you just push it down, and we took it for a test drive and it seemed to work. So yeah, I've ordered a new one anyway, because when I was doing some research, these go after about 100,000 miles apparently, and Millie's done a lot more than 100,000. So 35 quid for an OEM one, I thought I'd replace it anyway. And I'll do a video on how to replace the key plug, because the one you get doesn't come with the key plug in, and obviously you need the key plug because that's the one that goes into the engine, and it makes sense to have the same key for all. So there's a proper Fiat cap that I got, and yeah, I say 35 quid. May as well try it. Also shout out to lots of stickers. Now I've got Millie back, I'm going to be sticking the stickers on. So if you are here, big shout out to some of these YouTube channels. But we've got the Nuts on Tour, that's going to be going on the door. We've got Mr. and Mrs. H on tour, we'll be sticking your stickers up very soon. The Reds Go Travelling, of course, Travels, if you recognise the logo, that's going to go up there. A Merry IMAX Travels, that's a great bit, 23. Great channel. I'll check all these channels out as well. And the Slaws Adventures. Yeah, the Slaws Adventures. I'm going to put these all up at the door, primed in place. So thanks for your stickers, everyone. Sticker swap. It's cool, isn't it, in YouTube world? And thanks for watching. So hopefully she's fixed. Next videos we're going to be getting out and about. And also I've got some product reviews that I've purchased out of my own pocket, out of my own money. No one sends me any free stuff to review. Mind you, I'd happily sell my so the EcoFlow River, not the River 2, this is the River, 600 watts power station. Now they are still available in certain places, and they're they're less than £250 for a 600 watt power station. Gotta be too good to be true, isn't it? So I'm testing that out at the present moment, and I say so far very good. But I say B&Q's got them for about £230 at the present moment. You can pick them up on eBay for about £220. But it's just the basic Eco Extreme, not even the River 2. This is the Eco River. But so far, so good. But stay for the review of that. And of course, like I say, comment below, say hello, and thanks for everyone's support. Thanks for everyone who gave me some funds in the GoFundMe page. I'm still going. I'll put the link on there if you want to add some. Still a bit more work to do on Millie. She's not 100%, but she's working. So I've got the engine mount that needs to be replacing. That's probably another £500. It needs the fan belt going, timing belt that needs replacing, because it doesn't look like it's been replaced since she was new, and obviously she's going in a bit, you know, she's getting old. And what was there was 3 jobs, wasn't there? What did I say? Fan belt, that. There was a third one. Oh, and the water tank. But we never really use water anyway at the moment, do we? So do we really need water? Who knows? So anyway, I'm waffling. You're probably bored. If you stayed this long, please subscribe. It really helps the channel. For all you that come here for renovation videos and stuff like that, we will be getting back onto some renovation. I'm looking some ideas for a fridge lock. The fridge lock that came with the fridge obviously broke off a long time ago, so I'm trying to come up with some classic ideas. Some top tips as well is, if you've got cupboard locks and they're flying open, then some baby locks, which I'm reviewing soon as well. They are brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I've got a few of them fitted in Millie already, and it makes life so much easier, keeping your cupboards closed. None of this expensive camping, caravanning kind of locks. Baby locks work brilliantly. So there's quite a few things. Obviously there's tons of work to do in Millie at the moment, and we'll keep on cracking on. And of course I'm sat in my swivel chair. So thanks a lot. Thanks for your support, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. I just kind of threw it together quickly, just give everyone an update. Quite a few people have been asking about, is she working? But don't forget, click like, subscribe and comment, please. It really helps the channel, and I love you forever. And you know, I'll send you some £50 notes. Actually, I'm thinking of selling these with a sticker on. If anybody wants a £50 note, they're only a £5. So go fund or buy me a coffee, and I'll send you a £50 note. There you go. Couldn't get any better than that. They're only printed on the back on one side. They're actually just not printed. They're not real, you know. But they look quite good from a distance anyway, don't they? Later, buddy. And that's the idea, they're just there. It has specimen written on it as well. But I was going to put some stickers on and then hand them out. Anyway, I'm waffling too much. Catch you later, everyone.